Hi, it's Melike. Welcome to watch my video Training with Polar Unite and FitSpark. A couple of words on my training background and heart rate tracking before we dive into the FitSpark feature. For me, training is fun and it makes me feel energetic, but I also want to see the results and improve my fitness level and gain strength. Polar Unite and its heart rate tracking have opened my eyes about my training. It is a great tool for evaluating my effort and it helps me to see how hard my body is working in real time during my sessions. So let's talk about FitSpark. This is an amazing feature, especially if you don't have much time to plan your trainings. FitSpark offers ready-made daily on-demand workouts conveniently right on your watch. The workouts are built to match your fitness level, training history, and your recovery and readiness based on your nightly recharge status from the previous night. FitSpark gives you 2 to 4 different workout options every day, one that suits you best, and 1 to 3 other options to choose from. Let's have a look at the FitSpark views closer. In Time View, swipe left or right to navigate to the FitSpark. The FitSpark watch face includes the following views for different training categories: cardio, strength, and supportive training categories such as mobility. Strength training and supportive training sessions are based on ready-made workout plans with movement animations and real-time step-by-step guidance. All sessions include timers and vibrations that let you know when it's time to switch to the next phase. Tap the FitSpark watch face to see the most suitable workout for you. Tap again to see the detailed breakdown of the workout. Swipe up to see the exercises included in the workout and tap the individual exercise to see the detailed instructions on how to perform the exercise. Tap Start to select the training target. Okay, I'm ready to start my workout, so I just tap the sport profile to start training. Let's see what kind of guidance I get. And remember, you can pause or end a training session anytime you like. Okay, that was fun and simple, and the guidance was very clear. The watch shows you a summary of your training session right after you've finished the session. If you'd like to get a more detailed analysis, sync your watch with the PolarFlow app. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun with FitSpark. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the other Polar Unite videos on this channel.